Today, let us see about the modified commands of AutoCAD. These commands enable you to make modifications to your drawings in the process of drawing them. So let us see how they work. In this case, I will start with the move command. This one here. The command equivalent of the move command is letter M. The move command is used to move an existing object to a new location. So first, let us draw a circle here. Now select the move command. After select the move command, you can see here the command window prompts you to select objects. In this case, I will select this circle here. Then press enter. After that, you are now prompted to specify the base point. The base point is like a point that you grip when you move something. In this case, I will select the center of this circle here to be the base point. And finally, you are prompted to specify the second point. The second point is the point where you want your object to be placed. So I'll specify this point here to be the second point. As you can see, the circle is now moved into a new location. Now let us see about the copy command. The command equivalent of the copy command is CO. The copy command allows you to create a copy of a selected object or objects. So let us select the copy command. Now the command window prompts you to select objects. So let us select this circle here, then press enter. You are now prompted to specify the base point. But before you specify the base point, select this mode option here. You can see this mode option is selected. After select the mode option, now you are prompted to enter a copy of mode option between these two here, the single and the multiple option. If you select the single option, that means you will only be able to make only one copy of your object. And if you select the multiple option, that means you will be able to make many copies of your drawings. Now select the single option. After selecting the single option, you are now prompted to specify the base point. So specify the center of this circle here to be the base point. After that, you are prompted to specify the second point. So I will specify this point here to be my second point. As you can see, we just created a copy of this circle here. Now let us go and select the multiple option again. So first I'll select the copy command. Then I'll select this circle here and press enter. After that, I will select this mode option here. After select the mode option, I'll select the multiple option. Now, after select the multiple option, you are prompted to specify the base point of your drawing. So I'll specify the center point of this circle here to the base point of my object. And now you are prompted to specify the second point. Now on this prompt, you can create as many copies as you wish. So let me create about 5 or 3 copies like this ones. After you're done, press enter. Now again, on the command window, select the array option. So let us first select the copy option. I'll select this circle here. And then let us select the mode option. And then select multiple. After select that, specify the base point. Now select the array option, this one here. After select the array option, you are now prompted to enter the number of items to array. This array option allows you to distribute copies of your object into a straight line. So in this case, just type 5 and press enter. As you can see, a line of 4 circles appear. Yes, you typed in 5, but only 4 circles appear. This is because your original circle is also included in the count. So now, the command window prompts you to specify the second point. So specify any point you wish. In this case, I'll specify this point here. After that, you can see that the copy command is still active. So you can still copy some more circles or extra the command by just clicking enter. In this case, so let us click enter. Now let us run this first. Now let us select the copy command again and go to the array option. And now in the command window, you can see here there is an option here which is written fit this option here. Before you click on that option, you can note that the cursor is on the first point of the circle. You can see here there are 4 circles displayed here and the cursor is on the first point of this circle. So now click on the fit option. As you can see, Once you click the fit option, the cursor is moved to the rest circle. As you can see here, the cursor is now moved to the last circle. This is to give you a different way to specify the second point and copy your objects close to each other. So let us specify the second point and then press send. In this case, I'll specify this point here to be my second point and then press send. And that is all about the copy command. So let us run this. Now let us see about the mirror command. The mirror command enables you to create a mirrored copy of the selected object. For example, let us draw a rectangle here. And also let us draw a line here. Now select the mirror command. After you select the mirror command, now the command window prompts you to select objects. So select this rectangle and then press enter. And then you are prompted to specify the first point of the mirror line. So in this case, I'll specify this point here on this line, and then you are prompted to specify the second point of the mirror line. Now specify this point here, the other end point of this line here. After that, the command window inquires you whether to erase the source object and gives you two choices, yes or no. If you select the yes option, then Autocad will create a mirrored copy of your object and the source object will be erased. And if you select the no option, then Autocad will create a mirrored copy of your object and the source object will remain. So in this case, just select no. And as you can see, a mirrored copy of a rectangle is created and the source object is still there. The mirrored copy is this one and the source object is here. So let us run this. Now, one thing you need to note here is that your object will be mirrored according to where you place your mirror line. For example, let us draw a mirror line here. In Autocad, the mirror line is imaginary, but for clarity, I'll have to draw this line here. And now let us mirror this rectangle here. So select the mirror command and then select this rectangle here. Press enter. After that, you are prompted to specify the first point of the mirror line. In this case, specify this end point here. And for the second point of the mirror line, specify the other end point of this line here. And now you inquired whether to erase the source object. Select no. As you can see, your drawing is mirrored just opposite the mirror line, and that is all about the mirror command. So let us erase this.